Down and to the left. Thank you. First disc. Crunch. Captain Crunch. All right. Now look at that target over there. Pretty far away, isn't it? How am I going to hit it? Like this. It blew apart. Oh yeah, that's perfect. How far away do you think that is? The tree branch directly in the way.
Probably about, I don't know, 30 yards. Let me get in focus.
You're gonna shoot it from there?
Yeah, just for this shot.
Okay.
Alright, whenever you're ready.
Alright, it's ready.
Okay, fire.
It's to the left.
To the left, yeah. Have you named it yet?
Well, yeah, it's called the Jackal.
Oh, right.
Bruce Willis.
Right. Okay, here we go.
Right.
Let me get on target. Hold on. Let me just focus. Okay. Ooh, right to the left.
Down and to the left. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Direct hit. Ready when you are. Direct hit.
All right.
Okay, I'm filming, so go ahead when you're ready.
Sayonara. Whoa.
How'd I do?
That one blew apart. Whatever, we'll shoot it anyway. See, it's shorting out.
So scientific. Ooh!
It's even
Way bottom left.
Yeah.